I'm Alex Leiva from Akira Corp, and we're developing Reverie, an AI software for content creation for Unreal Engine. I wanted to kickstart this devlog by talking a little bit about the reasons why I started this journey. The current world pandemic has been described as the Great Reset, and it made many of us challenge the status quo to reflect on our mortality and our ikigai. In my case, it made me realize that I wanted to work on something that I feel passionate about, and I also wanted to be closer to the people that I love. That's why I decided to serve as many Unreal Engine users as possible in a humble and joyous way. But why Unreal Engine? Well, if you step back and observe the big picture, you can describe Unreal Engine as a storytelling tool. It started as software to create games, but has become a holistic tool nowadays. And I found the combination between technical knowledge and art very appealing. I would even argue that it's the ultimate tool for human expression, since it encompasses all the other art forms, such as music, sculpture, visual art, drama, and writing. Human expression is as elemental as our very same species. Agriculture began 8,500 to 9,500 years ago, while the oldest form of art is 73,000 years old. How vital is communication for our psyche? Then the need to express ourselves seems to be more important than a reliable source of daily food. While all species communicate one way or another, only humans have taken it to the next level. Our desire to collaborate and share has been a huge part of our success. Our modern world is based on information exchange, and it's only possible by our ability to communicate. Therefore, it's my duty to facilitate creators to tell the story and realize their vision as seamless as possible. This is how I came up with the idea of creating AI tools bundled as one software. I wanted to tackle different tricky areas of development that pose great challenge to most users, from solo developers, indies to big studios. And I call it Reverie, because it all begins as a mental image of a place our mind likes to dwell in. Reverie is a collection of tools to create and populate the stage for the stories you want to tell. The usual workflow, regardless of the output, starts with a collection of images in the form of sketches, concept, benchmarks, and references. But the challenge we face at this stage is what it might get lost in translation. Have you ever had an image in your head of the desired result, but when you execute it, it's not exactly what you anticipated? World building is a very time-consuming process. Some AAA games, such as The Last of Us 2, report spending up to 2 years on the production of one single level. The goal of Reverie is to bypass this tedious and frustrating process by feeding the program with these images to generate UE4 actors directly, extracting lighting, landscapes, effects, and even soundscape, all from single images. This is just a quick demo showing the world creation capabilities of Reverie. Here we have a single image, and we're gonna use it to generate our landscape, or lighting, fog, and volumetric clouds all in one go. All you have to do is select the desired actors and then press the copy button. Now go to your empty Unreal Engine scene and press paste. And just like that, you'll have your level created in an instant. Please note we're using UE4 here, but UE5 is fully compatible. With the advent of tools for the metaverse, such as MetaHumans, MetaSounds, you could see Reverie as meta-worlds. We want to democratize world creation for all Unreal Engine users. That's all for now, guys. I would like to thank Epic Games for providing us with that mega grant. And I also would like to thank you all for being part of this journey.